Hello everyone, welcome back to Trendifies. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have a thrilling comparison between two of the most sought-after drone cameras in the market, the DJI Mini Pro and the DJI Air 2S. Whether you're a professional videographer or a hobbyist, choosing the right drone can significantly impact your aerial photography experience. So, let's dive into the features, performance, and pricing of these two drones to help you make an informed decision. Camera and image quality. The DJI Air 2S boasts a 1-inch image sensor, allowing it to shoot in both 4K and 5.4K, while the Mini 3 Pro comes with a 0.8-inch image sensor and shoots only in 4K. Both drones offer intelligent flight modes like quick shots, master shots, spotlight, point of interest, hyperlapse, and active track. However, the Mini 3 Pro takes a step further with a wider aperture and ISO range, and thanks to its vertical gimbal position, it can also shoot in portrait mode. On the other hand, the Air 2S has better zoom capabilities, going up to 4x at 4K 30 frames per second and 8x at 1080p 30 frames per second, while the Mini 3 Pro only offers a 2x zoom at 4K. Weight and size. The Mini 3 Pro maintains a sub-250-gram design, making it a compact choice for easy carrying, while the Air 2S, weighing 595 grams, requires registration due to its heavier weight. Battery and flight time. Both drones have similar flight times on paper, but in real-world conditions, the flight time may vary between 25 to 31 minutes. There's an option to get a more powerful battery for the Mini 3 Pro, which can last more than 40 minutes, but this battery is not allowed in some regions. Obstacle avoidance. The Mini 3 Pro is equipped with forward and downward sensors, while the Air 2S has upward, forward, downward, and backward sensors, making the Air 2S a safer choice in areas with many obstacles. Controllers. Both drones use the RCN1 controller with OcuSync 3.0 and can achieve a range of up to 12 kilometers, with live footage of 1080p resolution. However, there's an option to get a DJI RC controller with a 5-inch display for the Mini 3 Pro, but it's not compatible with Air 2S. Recommendations. The DJI Air 2S is recommended for professional drone photography and videography due to its superior camera quality, flight time, color profile, and stability. On the other hand, the Mini 3 Pro is a great choice for content creators, social media enthusiasts, and those looking for a small drone for leisure activities and outdoor adventures. That wraps up our comparison of the DJI Mini 3 Pro and DJI Air 2S. Both drones have their own set of advantages, and your choice would depend on your specific needs and preferences. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more details on each drone, and let us know which drone you prefer in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.